Shweta is coming. Shweta, my sister, is becoming my sister-in-law, getting married to my brother-in-law, and Mona's brother. We're so happy for this new relation and this new bond which is coming up, which is after us.
One very good thing is, so family has become even more stronger.
Yeah.
Bond is more strong now.
Today it was more like dream come by dream.
Very, very emotional for us.
Yeah, it was something what dream she had for a very, very, very long time.
Yeah.
And we are very, 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 very happy, emotional.
Happy married life, and we definitely miss you being a single.
சத்தியம் சத்தியம் இது சத்தியமே மாலை சூடிய காலை கதிரின்